Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 27/9/2025. The combination was exactly, it's a wonderful thing, 9, 9 and 9. So it's a triple line, Anyway, we didn't have the market today. So, it's a perfect combination, which comes very rarely. So 9, 9, 9. Right, very good. So now, as we told in the last month, last video on August end, we clearly mentioned that market will make a top on 18th, and exactly Bank Nifty will make a top. We clearly mentioned the date. We clearly mentioned where it will make a top also, and from there the bottom may happen on 10th to 17th, and more or less I think Nifty will make a bottom on 17th. On 10th of October, and we clearly if you go and see Nifty on the dot exactly, it made the top on 18th, and including Bank Nifty, and from there we had a fall. But the worrying factor now is two things. One, it closed below the solar eclipse low, and it closed below the lunar eclipse low. It closed below the 20th June astrological date low, so which is really not a good sign for the market. Let's see what market is going to give us in the coming week, and that too we have a monthly expiry and we have one day holiday, so a lot of things are coming out. And then Tuesday will be a in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and all that expiry, and then Wednesday again will be a Sensex expiry because of Thursday holiday. So too much of combining in this week, but it is also combining with the major astrological cycle, which is Jupiter, and coming week is going to be very crucial for the market. Now let's go and see all that. Okay, so this is the video which we told that 18th it will make a in Bank Nifty we clearly mentioned 18th it will reject here, and from there it will try to come here on 10th to 17th of October. So we clearly mentioned it will make a top here, and from there only it will fall. So exactly if you go to the Bank Nifty and if you go to the Ichimoku, so exactly more or less it went and topped there only. On 18th it topped out, and now it is heading. Most probably it will try to come here on 10th to 17th or this area. So this is what we are this is all based on the seasonality which we are planning, and based on the Ichimoku support level, we are targets level we are prescribing that. It doesn't mean that it has to come and touch this level and all that. Possibility, we are exploring the possibility. The possibility is here on 10th of October or most probably or 17th of October. It should come and touch this area, and from there the bounce will be like this till 30th of October. Okay, kindly follow the system, kindly follow your system, because it doesn't mean that it is going to fly like a rocket like this, but based on what seasonality says, the movement will be sharp, steep, and this is what is going to happen. And let's see, we are in for a Diwali and all that, so a lot of things are going to happen on that particular week. So now let's go to this is what we are talking about. See, this is the lunar eclipse low candle, and this is the solar eclipse candle, and this is the 18th September candle. Now it closed below the solar eclipse candle, it closed below the lunar eclipse candle, and it also closed below the 20th June, which is a crucial solar date of index. So all the dates it closed below. So now I think it's very difficult for the market. Even Trump gives even the good news also, I think we will be in deep trouble in the coming days. So most probably, as I told you, that we will try to make a bottom on 10th October in Nifty. Let's see, we have another 10 trading days to go for that. Okay, so now let's come to the EMA and SMA. Again, it closed below, so possibility that it may even come and touch this 200 level area. And if you go to Pitchfork, this is what it is. So more or less it got rejected, and then it is forming a channel. So break below this channel, possibility that where is the target is, somewhere around here the target will be. So let's see whether it is going to take a support here. But break below this, it has to hold this area, but break below this, I think it will be a severe pain up to this. because it got rejected there, and the pain will be up to this, which is roughly around 23,200 level. So we need to wait and watch, but this area will be very, very crucial for the market. Let's see whether it is going to touch here on our roughly around 15th of October. The level is roughly around 24,183. I think it may even touch before that also. Okay. Now let's go to the Ichimoku. As we clearly said 10,000 times that this rally will not sustain. This is what we talked about in our video here. Even if you go here, we clearly mentioned that. I think I don't know where I kept it. No, that time it was here. So we clearly mentioned on, I think, first week of or second week of October that it will not sustain. It has to come back to the cloud again, because the equilibrium is completely lost here. So it will not sustain. So we said very clearly it will again try to come and touch here, but it broke that low and closed below cloud also now, and this cloud is descending here. So I think we are in for a very major issue now. In case even if it goes here, it will reject at the cloud here, or this area will be very, very crucial, and most probably maybe the breakout may happen on October 24th of October, possibility that it may try to break out. So and as of now, if you see fortune signals, it is again coming and touching this area. As my people know very clearly that if 3 times the touch happens based on Ichimoku or based on fortune signals, fourth touch it will break. It will break the blue and red, and it will close below. So 3 touches already happened, 1 year, and now 1 year yesterday. Okay, so now next time when it breaks severely on the downside. So now as of now, Nifty is at support, and if you go to Fibonacci, a lot of confusions here. Fibonacci, that's why normally I don't go with Fibo. Anyway, most probably till it is below this level, maybe you can see this area around 24,000 level. So now let's go to Bank Nifty. Crucial again, we clearly said last week that Bank Nifty is at the resistance, based on fortune signals, as well as based on technical parameters, and exactly it got rejected, and now if you see, it is clearly forming a head and shoulder pattern, break below this head and shoulder pattern. The target is roughly around 49,460. Let's see whether it is going to hold this level, otherwise it is going to give a more pain to the bulls. So forming, and if you go to the 200-day SMA, this is your support area. And again, clearly rejected on the top. Now it went up a little bit, again it is going back, but break below this level, the sharp fall will come near to this level, okay, which is the red color line. So again, this is again what we talked about in that video on 24th of August, saying that this is what is going to happen. So possibility that it will try to come here and it will take a bounce here. So we already covered this chapter. So now again Fibonacci, nothing interesting here. Again and again it is breaking down. Most probably we will come here to this level, 52,645 level. Now coming to fortune signals, clearly in the downside, from downside it captured roughly around 600 points, and now after that 15 minutes it was a beautiful sell. G sell happened, exactly went and rejected here, a solid fall of roughly around 600 points in 15 minutes time frame. So whatever we shorted in the last week, and we covered everything yesterday, the ATM and ITM calls we completely closed, and we took deep out of the money puts, 20 rupees, 18 rupees and all that, because we don't want to encash the profit and seeing it is getting eroded because of we have one holiday next month, next week, and then too much of profit. So it's better to unwind all the ATM and the ITM puts, and better to take OTM, deep OTM puts. Even if the market goes tomorrow a little higher, we don't need to worry about the loss. So again, when it comes to 15 minutes solid 600 points fall, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, again solid roughly around 1000 points as of now when it comes to 15 minutes. Now the critical area now here is, if you see Bank Nifty, this is a fake buy and it is at the support. Now break below, pain. So now if it holds, possibility that it may even go up here, but I think the chance is very remote when it comes to Bank Nifty and all that, because the major time frame parameters are not looking good on the chart. So now till it is not going to give the 15 minutes genuine buy in Nifty, Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, mid cap and all that, there is no question of going long in this market. And now coming to the gold, we clearly said 25th September is going to be the crucial date. After this date, the next date was 24th September. So now it is trading within that level. So now again close above. I think we are going to do wonder, and I have already given you the targets, dates, everything for gold for the next 7 years. You can go and watch my previous videos. Now let's come to the Excel sheet, the crucial part. So now as I told you, as of now it is holding this mother candle. And this is the range, coming week range for Nifty. Last week beautifully all the lower range was touched, and then mid cap was a solid fall once it broke below the lower range. And again solar eclipse candle close to below, and all this we already explained, it close to below. And we clearly gave last week that all the major indices at the resistance, so it got rejected exactly from the resistance. If you want to watch that video last week, go and watch the video how we predicted those resistance. You can easily see that. And gold we already given, and to coming week is crucial for all the index because of the Jupiter week. And this is the timing for Monday, and all the numbers are bearish, so nothing to talk about it. So now all these will act as a resistance unless and until the Nifty closes above this number. There is no question of going long in this market for September series. Okay, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, again the convergence gives exactly 750 points yesterday. So that is why we closed most of our ATM and ITM puts. So the convergence got over. So now there is no convergence, but now all these numbers will act as a major resistance. Okay, so that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any trade. Always remember, as a trader we are a chameleon. If the market turns on the bull side, we turn into bull, and if the market turns, we are in a bear side. So try to be with the market, try to be with the God. No need to watch. Yesterday on Thursday night, everybody started messaging, sir, we are holding lot of puts, and Dow Jones, the Singapore Nifty, the Gift Nifty is showing 100 points plus and all that. What will happen to the put? I said keep quiet, let the market open, nothing to worry about it. On that Friday, it gave a solid fall. So don't worry about what is happening in Dow Jones, whether it is now 300 points up, 500 points up. Concentrate on the God. For us, the God is nothing but Nifty. So concentrate on the God, and the God will speak to you. Okay. If we are wrong, try to take the loss and try to be with the God again on the long side. So God will show you everything to you much before. So you need to just observe and see what God is doing. So once you accept, once you are able to understand what God is doing, it is nothing but nature. So once you are able to understand the nature, and you know how to swing it on your, for your benefit. Okay, thanks a lot. If there is any update, we will do. And again, from 4th, we are not in India. We are opening a branch in Dubai. So we are leaving on 4th, and we'll be, I think next 15 days we'll be in Dubai, and we are going to do a lot of setups there. So most probably I'll try to trade there also. Even if I'm in Dubai also, I'll be trading with you and with the members. I'll do my best. I'll try to make my video even when I'm in Dubai, so no need to worry about it. My updates will be there whenever I'm free. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.